Gen Z is changing the way we search online, and TikTok is becoming their go to tool. Instead of scrolling endlessly to find the perfect product, platforms like TikTok provide a more direct path. 74% of Gen Z use TikTok as a search engine, with 51% favoring it over Google. It has quickly become a trusted source for product discovery and recommendations. Creators streamline this process by sharing genuine reviews, unexpected hacks, and quick tutorials. Creators show exactly why this product is an essential, delivering the answers viewers are looking for in just seconds. Let's take a look at an example. Take Logan, who's gone viral for eating a cucumber every day. In just 15 seconds, Logan is convincing consumers the mandolin is a must have kitchen gadget by showing consumers how they can use it daily. Logan provides the key to making a simple meal, providing an easy solution for busy consumers. People want real reviews from real people. Creators have become a trusted source that Gen Z turns to for trendy insights and recommendations. Start affiliate marketing today with Hypelinks.